To enable color inversion feature to reverse the colors on the screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap visibility enhancement and then tap the on off switch next to color inversion to turn this option on. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will reverse the colors on your screen so that the light colors will appear dark and vice versa. As a note, this feature will be applied to all apps including the media. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.